Let's be completely honest for a second. We are living in the golden age of video content. Whether you are building a personal brand, running an e-commerce business, or trying to grow a faceless YouTube channel, video is no longer just an option. It is an absolute necessity. But here is the massive roadblock that stops 90% of creators in their tracks: traditional video editing software. You know exactly what I am talking about. You download a professional editing suite, and suddenly you are staring at an interface that looks like the control panel of a spaceship. You spend days watching tutorials just to figure out how to cut a clip, and by the time you are done, your creative energy is completely drained. Not to mention, these legacy programs often come with heavy monthly subscription fees that eat into your budget before you've even made your first dollar. What if I told you that the entire landscape of video editing has fundamentally changed? What if you could produce cinematic, highly engaging, viral-ready videos in a fraction of the time, utilizing the power of cutting-edge artificial intelligence? Welcome back to AMAAI Tech, your ultimate destination for unlocking the power of artificial intelligence to scale your digital income and content creation. Today, I am going to reveal the ultimate secret weapon used by top creators across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. We are doing a deep dive into CapCut Desktop. But this isn't just a basic review. I am going to walk you through a complete, step-by-step masterclass on how to use this tool to revolutionize your workflow. By the end of this video, you will see exactly why CapCut Pro is the only editing software you will ever need. And make sure you stick around until the very end, because I have a special exclusive link in the description that will get you started with CapCut's premium features immediately. Let's dive into the matrix. All right, let's jump right into the software. What you are looking at right now is the CapCut Desktop interface. If you are used to clunky, outdated software, take a deep breath, because this is a breath of fresh air. Notice how incredibly clean and intuitive this layout is. CapCut was designed with the modern creator in mind. You don't need a degree in film production to understand what is going on here. On the top left, you have your media pool and all your assets: audio, text, stickers, effects, and transitions. Right in the middle is your preview monitor, crisp and responsive. Down below is your magnetic timeline. This timeline is a lifesaver. When you delete a clip, the timeline automatically snaps the remaining clips together, saving you countless hours of manually dragging and closing gaps. And over on the top right, you have your dynamic properties panel. This panel changes based on what you have selected, giving you instant access to exactly the tools you need, exactly when you need them. Importing footage is as simple as dragging and dropping. Let's pull in some raw video. To make a cut, you don't need to dig through menus. Just press the split button or use your keyboard shortcuts. It is incredibly fluid. Even if you are working on an older laptop or a mid-range PC, CapCut Desktop is optimized to run remarkably smooth. You won't experience the constant crashing and lagging that plagues other heavy editing programs. But basic cutting is just the beginning. The real reason CapCut has completely taken over the creator economy is its integration of artificial intelligence. Let's look at the features that will literally save you hours of manual labor every single day. Let's talk about auto captions. If you are making short-form content for Reels or Shorts, captions are mandatory. People watch videos on mute, and dynamic text keeps their attention locked in. In the old days, you had to type out every single word manually and sync it to the audio frame by frame. It was torture. Watch this. In CapCut, I simply click the Text tab, select Auto Captions, and hit Create. Within seconds, literally seconds, CapCut's highly advanced speech recognition AI analyzes my audio and generates perfectly timed subtitles. But it gets better. CapCut gives you a massive library of trending, highly engaging text templates. With one click, I can transform plain text into dynamic, bouncy, colorful animations that look exactly like the subtitles used by massive creators like Mr. Beast. You can customize the font, the stroke, the glow, and the animation. What used to take 2 hours just took me 2 clicks. Now let's move to audio. Have you ever recorded a great video, but there was a fan running in the background? Or traffic noise outside? CapCut's vocal isolation and noise reduction features are absolute game changers. By checking a single box, the AI strips away all the background hum and enhances your voice, making it sound like you recorded in $1 million professional podcast studio. This feature alone is worth its weight in gold for affiliate marketers and educators. And what about visuals? Say you want to change your background, but you don't have a green screen. No problem. Select your clip, go to the Remove Background tab, and click Auto Cutout. CapCut's AI instantly maps the human subject and cleanly removes the background. You can now place yourself in a high-tech studio, a beautiful office, or anywhere else in the world. It tracks your movement flawlessly. CapCut also solves the biggest headache for YouTube creators: copyright claims. It has a built-in massive library of royalty-free music and sound effects natively integrated into the software. You can search by mood, genre, or sound type and drop it right into your timeline. And if you are running a faceless channel, which I know many of you on AMAAI Tech are doing to generate passive income, you will love the text-to-speech engine. You just type in your script, select from dozens of ultra-realistic human-sounding AI voices, and CapCut generates the voiceover directly on your timeline. You don't need to pay for expensive third-party voiceover software anymore. It is all right here in one ecosystem. Once your basic edit is done, it is time to make it visually spectacular. This is where CapCut transitions from a simple editor to a powerhouse of creativity. Click on the Effects tab. You are immediately greeted with hundreds of cinematic, trending video effects. Whether you want a retro film grain, a cyberpunk edge glow, or a dynamic camera shake to emphasize a point, you just drag and drop it. You can apply it directly to a clip or use an adjustment layer to affect your whole sequence. Transitions are just as easy. Forget about complex keyframing for a simple zoom. Under the Transitions tab, you have access to everything from seamless light leaks to aggressive digital glitches. You drag it between your clips, and CapCut handles the math to make it perfectly smooth. And let's not forget color grading. If your footage looks a little flat or washed out, you don't need to be a professional colorist. CapCut features incredible AI auto color correction. With one click, it balances your whites, deepens your shadows, and makes your colors pop. If you want a specific mood, you can apply one of the hundreds of professional LUTs and filters built directly into the system. You are literally turning smartphone footage into cinematic gold. Now you might be wondering, with all these incredible features, why should you consider CapCut Pro? While the free version is fantastic, CapCut Pro is where the real professional magic happens. Upgrading to Pro unlocks the absolute highest tier of AI features, premium templates, commercial use assets, and advanced tracking capabilities. If you are serious about content creation, if you are running a business, an affiliate marketing empire, or a monetized YouTube channel, CapCut Pro is an investment that pays for itself on day one. The time you save on manual editing and the increase in viewer retention from using premium, high-quality effects will directly translate to more views, more clicks, and more revenue. It takes you from being an amateur to a professional studio instantly. When it's time to share your masterpiece, the export process is incredibly fast. CapCut utilizes hardware acceleration to render your videos at lightning speed. You can export up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second for crystal clear quality. It even has a built-in copyright checker that scans your audio before you upload, ensuring your video won't get demonetized or taken down. It is the ultimate peace of mind. In the fast-paced world of digital content, speed and quality are everything. The creators who win are the ones who can produce high-quality, engaging videos consistently without burning out. CapCut is the bridge that gets you there. It replaces thousands of dollars worth of software and hours of frustration with an elegant AI-powered solution. If you are ready to completely transform your content, stop struggling with outdated software, and start editing like a top-tier creator, I have made it incredibly easy for you. Look down in the description right now. I have placed an exclusive direct link to access CapCut. By clicking that link, you can immediately dive into the platform and start exploring the pro features we talked about today. It is the fastest way to upgrade your editing arsenal and start seeing real results in your content quality and viewer retention. Do not wait. The creator economy is moving fast, and you need the right tools to stay ahead. Click the link in the description, download CapCut, and start building your empire today. If you found this masterclass valuable and want more inside secrets on leveraging AI for your tech and business growth, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AMAAI Tech, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below telling me which CapCut feature you are most excited to use. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I will see you in the next video.